Dear students, myself Gaman Akachi, Department of Economics, KLS Bhakta College of Commerce, Belagavi. At the outset, I welcome you for video lecture of 6th semester on the subject Indian Economics of Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi for the year 2021. Friends, before we start the syllabus, let us try to know what are the content of syllabus prescribed by the university for this semester. Friends, the whole syllabus is divided under 5 units. For instance, unit number 1 deals with meaning of Indian economy, developed and underdeveloped economy, classification of the economic systems of the world, characteristics of developed and underdeveloped economy, whether India is a developing economy, economic reforms of 1991 and economic development, environment and economic development. Under unit number 2, which deals with national income, meaning of national income, concepts of national income, methods of measuring national income, the difficulties of measuring national income, and causes for slow growth of national income in India. Unit number 3 covers demographic features of India. In that unit, we have to study the causes for rapid growth of population, adverse effects of population, density of population, sex ratio, population policy, demographic dividend of India. Unit number 4 deals with the economic planning of India. In this unit, we have to study about brief history of Indian 5-year plans, general objectives of Indian 5-year plans, and also 11th and 12th 5-year plans in details. The last and 5th unit deals with the public finance. In this unit, we have to study sources of revenue and expenditure of central government, budget, meaning of budget and types of budget, and also monetary policy of Reserve Bank of India. Friends, after knowing the content of the syllabus, let us begin with the first unit of the syllabus that deals with meaning and characteristics and classification of various economy and countries. Before we go to discuss the classification and general characteristics of various economy, now let us try to understand the meaning of Indian economy in particular. Indian economy refers to the manner in which the various economic activities relating to production, consumption, distribution, and exchange are organized and how people work and earn their living. Classification of economic system of the world. Friends, economic systems of the world broadly classified into 3 types on the basis of how the means of factors of production are owned and managed in the country. For instance, capitalist economic system, socialist economic system, and mixed economic system. Now, try to understand what is the meaning of capitalist economic system. Capitalist economic system is one in which the means of factors of production are owned and managed by the private individuals. The profit and competition is the main motto of this economic system, and the best example for this economic system is USA. The second one, socialist economic system, refers to a economic system where the means of productions are owned and managed by the government. The social welfare or public welfare is the main objective of this system, and the example for this system is Russia and China. The third one is mixed economic system, means where the means of productions are owned and managed by both government and private individuals. The main motto or objective of this system is to both social welfare and profit. The best example for this economic system is India and England. After knowing the classification of the economic systems of the world, the similar way we have to understand how the countries of the world classified. The countries of the world broadly classified into three types. They are developed country, underdeveloped country, and developing country. Now let us try to understand the meaning of the developed economy or developed country. Developed country or economy means a country having high degree of economic development and high level of real per capita income. Example: USA, Canada, England, Japan, etc. Now let us understand the meaning of underdeveloped country or economy. Means a country having low degree of economic development and low level of real per capita income compared with per capita real income of USA, Canada, Australia and Western Europe. Example: Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. The last one, this developing country or developing economy, means a country having relatively higher per capita income compared to underdeveloped country and moving on the path of economic progress. Example: India. Now, after knowing the meaning of developed, underdeveloped and developing economy, now let us try to understand what are the general characteristics of developed country. The developed countries are generally exhibits the following characteristics. For instance, number 1, high real per capita income. Number 2, high standard of living. Number 3, high degree of industrialization. Number 4, high degree of capital formation. Number 5, advanced technology. Number 6, low growth rate of population. Number 7, advanced transport and communication. Number 8, full employment. Number 9, high quality of human capital. Number 10, optimum utilization of natural resources. Now, after knowing the general characteristics of developed country, now let us try to understand what are the general characteristics of underdeveloped country or economy. The underdeveloped economy or underdeveloped country generally exhibits the following characteristics. Number 1, low per capita income. Number 2, low standard of living. Number 3, rapid growth rate of population. Number 4, unemployment and underemployment and disguised unemployment. Number 5, shortage of capital. Number 6, predominance of agriculture. Number 7, mass poverty. Number 8, technological backwardness. Number 9, lack of transport and communication. Number 10, poor quality of human capital. Number 11, inequalities of income and wealth. Number 12, underutilization of natural resources. Now, after knowing the general characteristics of both underdeveloped and underdeveloped economy in general, now let us try to understand what are the basic characteristics of Indian economy. Now friends, let us try to understand the basic characteristics of Indian economy. Though presently Indian economy is described as a developing economy, but still it possesses some of the characteristics of underdeveloped economy. Some of the basic characteristics of Indian economy as an underdeveloped economy can be seen from the following main points. The first basic characteristic of Indian economy is that low real per capita income. Per capita income is the average per head income of the people obtained by dividing the national income by its population. That is, per capita income equals national income divided by population. India's per capita income is the lowest in the world as compared with per capita income of other countries of the world. This can be seen in the following table. For instance, country per capita income US dollar. Switzerland having the highest per capita income, that is 70,928 US dollar. Similarly, USA $51,749. Japan $46,736, Germany $42,592, United Kingdom, that is England, $38,920, China $6,091, and India $1,503. If you look at this table, we can easily understand how the per capita income of India is low when compared with other countries of the world. The second basic characteristic of Indian economy is that low standard of living. The standard of living of Indian people is very low because of low per capita income. As a result, majority of people in India struggling hard even to get basic necessities of life such as food, clothes, and shelter. The third characteristics of Indian economy is that rapid growth of population. The size of India's population is the second largest in the world after China. Population of India not only very large but also growing at a rapid rate. This can be seen in the following table. Census year and population in crores. For instance, in 1991, population of India is 84 crores. In 2001, 102 crores. In 2011, 121 crores. The fourth characteristics of Indian economy is that unemployment, underemployment, disguised unemployment. Due to rapid growth of population, it is not possible to provide gainful employment to all the people in a country. As a result, there is a huge unemployment, underemployment, and disguised unemployment prevails in the country. Disguised unemployment. It is a peculiar situation where more number of people engaged in work than required, where marginal productivity of labor is zero or negative, and this scenario generally found in agriculture sector. Please note this particular point. Sometimes there may be a possibility of asking the question meaning of disguised unemployment from the point of the examination, and you try to note this particular point. Objective type question. Fifth characteristics of basic concept in Indian economy is that shortage of capital. Due to low per capita income and low saving rate, the capital formation of the country remain at a very low level, and as a result, the country is facing the problem of shortage of capital. The next one is predominance of agriculture. Agriculture becomes the main occupation in India since long time. Presently, more than 45% of people depend on agriculture for their livelihood, but in developed countries, only 3 to 5% of people are engaged in agriculture. Seventh one, existence of mass poverty. According to 2001 census report, more than 26% of people in India living below the poverty line and struggling hard even to get square meal per day. Next one is technological backwardness. Technology and techniques of production used in various sectors of the economy is very old and outdated due to lack of invention and innovation. As a result, the cost of production is very high and lower production in the country. The next characteristics is lack of transport and communication facility. Transport of men and material becomes a difficult task in most of the rural areas even today due to inadequate transport and communication facility. 10th characteristics, poor quality of human capital. The quality of human capital in India is poor due to illiteracy and ignorance. The quality of human capital depends on high level of Human Development Index HDI and Physical Quality Life Index PQLI. This is also you can note from the point of the examination for objective type question abbreviation part, that is HDI and PQLI. HDI refers to Human Development Index and PQLI refers to Physical Quality Life Index. Next one is inequalities of income and wealth. The distribution of income and wealth in India is extremely unequal. Example, top 10% of people shares more than 50% of national income, whereas bottom 20% of people shares less than 10% of national income. This inequality of income and wealth creates the problem of rich and poor in the country, that is the gap have and have nots. The last characteristic is underutilization of natural resources. Though India is rich in many natural resources like land, forest, mineral, water, etc., but most of these natural resources are remained unutilized or underutilized due to the technological backwardness and shortage of capital. Conclusion. From the above main points, it is clear that Indian economy still possesses all the general characteristics of an underdeveloped country. With this, I conclude today's lecture. We shall continue the next part of the syllabus in the next video lecture.